So when I visited the Ram Mandir, I think,
We can hear you. I can
can
hear
you hear me?
Yes, yes, very well. Yeah.
Yeah. When I paid my respects at the Ram Mandir, I took my family. After that very day, the Congress party started, telling me that I was going the wrong way. They started saying that I was anti the ideology of the party and I should not have visited the Ram Mandir. I should not have posted pictures. So they were completely against it, and they started they stopped sending me on shows. They stopped giving me responsibilities, and continuously I was being targeted for going to the Ram Mandir. And they kept saying that you're in touch with the Bharatiya Janata Party. If I would wear an orange dress to the Congress office, everyone would come and tell me, oh, you're joining the BJP. If I would write anything related to Ramji, or I welcomed the decision of the court also, and I welcome the fact that an entire the way during the Murthy Sthapna, the entire thing that was being done, that event, even that time I was told that I was in touch with the Bharatiya Janata Party. So anyone who believes in Lord Ram, anyone who believes in any Hindu god for that matter, for the Congress party, is an agent of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is very sad, because when you stand by the constitution, when you call yourselves Rakshaks of the Samvidhan, and you blame the Bharatiya Janata Party or any other party for that matter that कि ये संविधान को ख़त्म करने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो आप स्वयं जो संविधान कहता है कि आप सेक्युलर हैं या आप कोई भी अपना धर्म किसी भी धर्म को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, आप उसी का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं और अपनी ही पार्टी में लोगों को रोक रहे हैं कि वो राम का नाम ना ले। राम के नाम से इतनी चिढ़ होगी, मैंने अपने जीवन में नहीं सोचा था। और उसके बाद एक षड्यंत्र रचा गया। इट वॉज अ प्री प्लान्ड थिंग that since they could not find fault with my work, they had to come up with a plan to make me leave the party. I was insulted, I was abused, and I was misbehaved with, manhandled in the Congress office. Inside the Congress office of Chhattisgarh Pradesh Congress Karyalay, and 3 men locked up the room from inside for almost a minute and a half. And I kept screaming and shouting. I had to run from there. My BPM went up to 154. I had to be taken to the doctor after that. I cried and cried and cried, and I called up every senior leader. From the first call I made was to Sachin Pilot ji. I called up Jairam Ramesh ji. I called up Pawan ji. I called up Bhupesh Baghel ji. I called up his associate Vinod Verma ji, who used to manage everything earlier over there, and no one helped me. Either most of the people did not pick up the phone, and the ones who did, they kept coming up with excuses. I was asked to shut up. I was asked not to raise this issue.